Please take out your Workbook 2 1.1 and turn to the new rhyme. Rhyme time. I like popcorn. I like popcorn. My name is Bob. I pop the popcorn. That is my job. Mom picks the corn cobs from the crop, filling the box up to the top. Mom chops the corn. She chops a lot. We put the corn in a big hot pot. When it is cooking, I hear it pop. When it is done, I hear it stop. Now turn to page 13. Vocabulary. Number 1. Eat. 4. 5. Her. This. 2. Fox. Naps. Rock. Dinner. Picks up. Watch. Wants. Theme words. Kit. Lips. Spots. Animals. Grapes. Phonics focus. S. S. Sits. Hops. Runs. Wants. Eats. Naps. Comes. Takes. Sees. ing. Ing. Eating. Wanting. Seeing. Cooking. Looking. Playing. Fixing. Licking. Picking.